What's going on, guys? Tyler here and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're talking about how much money I made as a small YouTuber in this past month. Now it's pretty exciting. I'm excited to share this info with you guys, and we'll also talk a little bit about the various sources of where this income comes from. Now you guys, I'll have to excuse my background here. I am actually moving and changing locations a little bit in my life, so I do have some cool news coming up in the next few weeks. So that brings me to a great point. If you haven't yet, hit that nice red looking subscribe button, join the family, and be notified of upcoming videos just like this one. And of course, guys, if you like today's video, drop a like, and I hope to see you guys on future videos. Now let's go ahead and jump in. Now, to better understand where we're getting the amount of money that I made in June, we need to understand a little bit better the YouTube analytics for my channel in the month of June. So for my channel in the month of June, I had 9,381 views for the entire month, and I added a total of 76 subscribers, which brings me to a new total of 1,760 subscribers. What's up, guys? Thanks for subscribing. As far as impressions go, I had 99,249 impressions on my channel in the month of June. This means basically people were presented with my video, whether they clicked on it or not, that was counted as an impression. So basically 99,000 people last month saw my video in their search results. Now the fun part, let's talk about revenue. Now my analytics for June, my RPM was $15.70. That means for every 1,000 views that I get on my channel, I am making $15.70. And of course, that's per monetized view. Everyone that watches an ad on my video, that's the average of how much I'm making per 1,000 views. I would say this is a pretty high RPM, but definitely not quite the highest. There are definitely some big RPM categories and niches out there on YouTube, but this is a pretty high RPM. I think the average is somewhere around about $3 to $4, so $15 is really pretty good. So if you guys did the quick math and figured out how many views I had and my RPM, you could probably figure out my total revenue for June. But my total revenue for the month of June was $147.27, and that comes from YouTube AdSense alone. Now something pretty cool is if you take my RPM and actually divide it by 1,000, it tells you how much you're getting paid per view. And currently for me, for my niche, for my category of teaching how to build websites and things like that, also I'm now transitioning over how to grow on YouTube and why you should start a YouTube channel. I'm getting a estimated 1.57 cents per view. That means anytime anyone randomly clicks on my video and it counts as a view and they watch an ad, I'm making an average of 1.57 cents. Now I will say I've only been monetized since March, so we have half of March, April, May, and here we are talking about June. So really only about 3.5 months into my monetization, and I'm making $150 a month. Now that's my YouTube ad revenue, and that's paid out by Google, and it comes a month later after I actually accrue that amount. So I've gone ahead and made $150. I'll get that paid out in July. But let's talk about another source of income that I have, which is affiliate marketing. Now, as far as affiliate marketing goes, I have a few different companies that I'm actually an affiliate for. So this income is kind of spread across a few different companies. And for the sake of not sharing too much information about these companies' affiliate programs, I've gone ahead and just added up all of my affiliate commission together, and I made a total in June of $98. Now, if you take that $98 and add it to my other $147 of YouTube ad revenue, I made a total in the month of June on YouTube with 1,700 subscribers, $245.27. Now to me this is super exciting because that's a decent small side income for just basically building a YouTube channel. And as you can see, I really don't have that many subscribers. I'm really not accumulating too many views on my videos during a month. 9,000 is a lot, but it's not a ton. But what I am trying to do is put out content that people are looking for, and as you can see, YouTube is rewarding me nicely. So if you've ever wondered how much a small YouTuber can make in the website building niche, this is maybe a rough estimate of what you could expect. Of course, there's so many varying factors. My YouTube views go up and down, my affiliate sales go up and down, so you can never really predict exactly how much money you're gonna make. But my goal is to continue to grow my YouTube channel long term, and hopefully the income increases right along with it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure and drop a like and hit that nice red looking subscribe button, hit that bell, and be notified of upcoming videos just like this one. If you guys like today's video, also drop me a comment and let me know. I would love to make more videos like this if you guys are interested. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and have a great week. Take care.